John Calvin, Institutio Christianae Religionis 1536, Episode 16. Cum unum in symbolum sanguinis, cogitandum quos corpori usus unum afferat, ut eostem spiritualiter nobis Christi sanguine afferri reputemus, sunt autem confirmare reficere ex hilarare. Calvin previously spoke about the body and the bread. Now he's going to speak about the wine and the blood. He says, when we see the wine as a symbol of the blood. Now we have to supply here videmus from the previous portion. That was the verb in the previous sentence. We supply it here. When we see the wine as the symbol of the blood, then cogitandum, and this is cogitandum est, we must think about, or there must be a thinking. This is a passive periphrastic. The Romans were very fond of the passive. The passive is not loved by English speakers, nevertheless. So when we see the wine as a symbol in symbolum sanguinis, masculine, singular, and genitive, as a symbol of the blood, then we must consider what are the uses, quos usus, that wine brings or contributes to the body, corpori. Let's look a little more closely at some of this grammar. We have vinum in the neuter singular nominative as the subject. It's the subject of afferat, which is a third singular, present subjunctive active, from afferre. It's a compound of that very common irregular verb ferro. Usus and quos, this is masculine, plural, and accusative as the object of afferat, and usus is a fourth declension noun, usas, usus, masculine, like so. Why subjunctive? Because this is interrogatio obliqua. This is indirect question. There must be a consideration, cogitandum, as to what benefits or what uses wine bestows upon the neuter singular dative indirect object, the body corpori. The result is that, those same ones, eostem, this is eostem, and it's implicit eostem usus, those same benefits or advantages spiritually to us of Christ by his blood, they are conferred, we must think so. Now that's not good English word order, so we'll turn it around a little bit, but it's very good Latin word order because it emphasizes the things that Calvin wants to emphasize. Those same usus spiritually upon us by Christ's blood, we must think, reputemus, that they are contributed to us. So whatever are the benefits that wine brings to the body, spiritually, by the blood of Christ, those same benefits, afferri, are conferred upon us. You might ask yourself, what are those benefits? Calvin's going to tell you. Sunt autem. This again is autem. That's another ligature over that E to show us that it's actually em. Moreover, these are to make us strong. Confirmare, wine makes the body strong. Reficere, wine repairs the body. And finally, ex hilarare, wine makes the body happy. So in the same way, this is what the blood of Christ does for us spiritually, these three things.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.